Here is a detailed product data complete with the title, the images for it, the various attributes, who is the seller detail, and also the pricing details, and complete with search results data like the pagination, product ID, the images, the pricing, who is the seller, and such kind of details that you will be easily able to get after watching this video. If you've ever tried scrapping Alibaba, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping Alibaba seems simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever data you need, and you're done, isn't it? But if you try to do it at scale, you're going to run into various challenges. Alibaba is going to block you, it is going to give you captchas, or pages that never seems to load. To resolve these issues, you can use residential proxies, you can write complex vectors, but they could break next month only, and you can use Playwright Puppeteer. All these are solutions to it, but they take a lot of effort. Now, let me show you a really easy way to get Alibaba data in next 5 minutes only. And you don't have to write any complex selectors or maintain them month over month. Let's roll. We want to get detailed data like this one. To get such kind of detailed data, we need to use Python, and to make our life simple, and so we don't have to write any complex selector code, we are going to take help of an API called the Alibaba Scrapper API by Omarscloud. It's developed by Omarscloud, which had been rated excellent on Trustpilot based on 17 reviews. And to use this API, you simply have to sign up on Omarscloud. Just search for Alibaba and visit the API page. So this API has endpoints to get us the search results and product details data, which we are going to take help of. So endpoint that we are interested in the search endpoint. So I'm just going to copy this thing, and I'm going to visit the test.py file. I'm simply going to paste it in here. Also, the param I'm interested in is the webcam. I want to search for webcam earbuds. I'm going to simply replace this with webcam. And I'm just going to hit send request, and this is going to get data from there and write it as a JSON file in response.json. So you can see that we have got back detailed data complete with pagination and the title, the images for it, and the pricing details, and also who is the seller of this and his rating. This is quite detailed data, as we can clearly see. Now let us see how we can use the pagination feature. So I just have to write here page colon 2. And hit send request. I've got the second page data, as you can clearly see, and again same detailed data I have got. Now let me show you how you can easily get the details data about the product. So we are going to go to the API, and in there is an endpoint for it. This endpoint. So I'm just going to copy this thing and paste it in here. That endpoint I'm really interested in is this, and I'm just going to paste it in here, and let me just get data for that. So you can clearly see that I have got detailed data like this one. Now let me match it to the page that's officially of this product. This one, as you can see, $8.90 is the price, and $8.90 is the price in here as well, and it's provided by Shenzhen Onvi, same company. And you can clearly see that we have the images as well. So I can open the images. So have same product images that I have got, and I also have detailed data about this thing, and which is clearly what matches all of that key attributes features. So as you can see, we have got very detailed data. Now if you want to save your time and want to get detailed Alibaba data like this one, then you're in the right place. You can simply use the Alibaba Scrapper API. It gives you 100 requests free, and you have got it developed by Omarscloud, which has been rated excellent on Trustpilot, so you're in great company as well. You can find the link to it in the description of this video in the pinned comment. Thank you and have a great day.